Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can change language in your Premiere Pro. To do this, first of all you have to just open your Premiere Pro, right, and make sure you are in the source panel. Now here you have to press Ctrl plus F12 in your keyboard, right? So just press it and your console will open up. But if you're using a Mac, then you have to press Ctrl plus Fn plus F12, right? So if you're using a Mac, so you have to press three keys, and if you're using Windows, then you have to just press Control plus F12 or Fn plus F12. Now your console will open up here. Now once it get open up, now here you have to press in this menu bar, go to the debug database view, and here you will see a lot of option. In this search bar here you have to search for language, and here you will get this option of application language. Now in my case it is English US. Now here you can just change your language, so make sure you have to find this code of your language. So let's say I'll show you how you can get it. Here you can just go here, language code of, let's say that you're speaking Spanish and you just want a language code of Spanish here. Now you can get this here, es dash es, right, capitals. So you have to just copy this here and you have to paste it here, right? So make sure you just Google and use this to search for your language and just paste it here. Automatically your whole language will change up in the Premiere Pro. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.